Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Sephora Play unboxing for January 2019. If you want to see what's in this month's Play box, then keep on watching. Instead of just guessing what all the products in my Play box are going to be this year, let's go ahead and make a pact, a resolution if you will, to actually take the time to read the playbook and themes and not just sitting here looking like an idiot sometimes because I don't realize that there's underlying themes in playbacks, which is one of my favorite things about Sephora Play. They do try to correspond with a theme, so to speak. So this month's theme, if you will, is the beauty scope for 2019. I am a Pisces, and I am probably the most opposite of a Pisces that is possible because Pisces are intuitively creative and I am not. Pisces, there's an ocean of goodness in this water sign. You love exploring your boundless imagination and getting lost in your creative thoughts. Not true. And it says to try a sleeping water mask that's perfect for hydrating while you dream the night away. If you guys have read my resolutions for 2019, which I'll be sure to link down below, I had mentioned that I am really creative when it comes to this channel and I want to start branching out more and becoming more creative. In fact, I have a new setup here which allows me to create more content where it's not just me having to be limited with sunlight or whatever the case may be. So January has been a little bit of a rough start when it comes to creating stuff, but that's why there's 11 more months in the year to kind of hop on that bandwagon. Here is the playback that we have, and let's go ahead and just jump right on in. So the first thing we're going to pull out here, it looks like a hair care sample from Marajo. And this is the Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter. It says here that it's a hydrating shampoo and conditioner set that nurtures with botanical oils and rich butters for luxurious, healthy looking hair. I am looking for that mystery, magical product that will make my hair look like silk. My hair is one of my biggest insecurities in the sense that I take great care of my hair and I do the things to make sure that it looks good, but my hair has never looked silky smooth. You can feel my hair and it's soft, but it's not silky smooth. You know how some girls where they just their hair just looks like ripples of silk? I want that. And I don't know how to get that on my head, so if you know how to, let me know. But since cutting my hair and since dyeing my hair blonde and trying to take the precautions of not torching my hair as much, which when I dye my hair, I bleach and tone the hell out of it anyway, so kind of my own worst enemy. Already new year, new start. I'm kind of digging that. I know I would prefer a perfume sample, but again, I'm trying to be more optimistic, and especially when it comes to my hair, to find that miracle product. Next in our Sephora Play, we have something from Drunk Elephant, and this is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. Rich whipped moisturizer that nourishes dry, dull skin and delivers a dose of hydration, which is just what my skin is needing. My skin has been pretty disobedient lately, where it just seems really dry and patchy. I want to get back into the habit of doing face masks more often and actually staying up to date on my skincare routine, especially during the winter, because my skin has just been really kind of patchy and it just looks gross when you wear a foundation. Drunk Elephant is one of those brands that I know so many people are obsessed with, and I didn't take too much out because I don't want to waste the product, so to speak, but it does seem pretty hydrating in the little sample. It seems to dry down pretty quickly. And yeah, I definitely know that Drunk Elephant is, again, one of those brands that I know a lot of people are obsessed with. It's one of those higher end skincare brands where maybe I'm not going to spend the money on this to try a full size if I'm not going to like it, but that's what the beauty of Sephora Play is that you literally get a little sample. This will probably last me forever because I have so many other samples I cycle through. And if it's something I like, then it's something I know to test and try out, but it gives you a little bit of a trial run, which is always appreciated. Next in our Sephora Play, we have a favorite, and this is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. If you guys will remember, I discovered this in a Birchbox and I became quickly obsessed with it. It's actually made a favorites video and was the sole reason why I bought the Sunday Riley gift set, because it came with a full size of this thing. And since I will be traveling soon and I have been starting to want to plan more weekends away, I wanted a travel size one, and this little guy is perfect for when I'm on the road. I have been pretty neglectful and haven't been using it daily, and I have noticed a major difference in my skin. I've noticed more of those just clusters of blackheads on my chin and my nose, which is really one of my subconscious areas that I just don't like drawing attention to. So having a trial size is good for when we do travel, so that way I'm not bringing the full jar that's $110 and God forbid something happens to it. I do have a sample size. Normally I would be pretty upset about getting repeat products, but for what this product does, how much it costs, I'm not mad in the slightest about a repeat product. Next in our Sephora play, we have here a product from BeautyBlender, and this is the Blender. This is a tongue twister. So we have here the Blender Cleanser Solid Pro. This is a solid brush cleanser. And this is a charcoal infused soap that removes excess product, dirt, and oil from makeup tools, which I think is so cool that Sephora is like now starting to incorporate tools even too. We know I'm a huge lover of the Cinema Secrets, but I use that more as spot treatment between my brush cleansings, where I really only deep clean my brushes once every quarter, where I take like a product like a cleansing balm or even making a concoction of olive oil and like shampoo, and I only clean those like once every quarter, which is not the greatest, but it's just, for me, cleaning brushes is such a hassle, as I know it is for a lot of people. It might get me in the habit of cleaning my brushes just a little bit more. How does one open this? Like that. So this is, let's see. So this is the Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glace. Glace? I think y'all know what time it is. It's time for a live lip swatch. So I already know what y'all are going to say about this swatch, is that you kind of went light-handed. It's because I haven't taken the flat light photos yet. But needless to say, the first impression, there is definitely that smell that Bite Beauty has that kind of natural-esque hint of a scent to it. I can't tell what it is, but I will say it does feel really creamy. On another completely irrelevant topic, I really like the component. It feels very sturdy. It doesn't feel like that the tip's gonna break off. It doesn't feel like that it's gonna be cheap or janky. It feels pretty solid in the hand. It's pretty easy to navigate, again, with the fact of using a light hand on it. I love the color, but we all know I love that dusty mauve color. I think it's just something that suits me at this point. And yeah, I really like the component. I seem to like it as in terms of a kiss test. Well, obviously you're gonna have a little bit of pigmentation wear off, but that's totally fine. The last thing we received in our playback this month is from Belif, and this is the Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. It's funny because that's what my beauty horoscope said to use this year. I have actually already used this product before. I think I received a sample of it in my Gen Beauty swag bag. I actually really liked it. I think you guys might remember I've had some grievances with Belif's Aqua Bomb and Face Balm, but again, I think that was just in the context I was using it. But yeah, I have used this. I'm a pretty big fan, have actually considered buying it in the full size, but just haven't gotten around to doing so. And yeah, it's fun to get another sample product to really make sure I do like it, and if I am interested in buying the full size, we easily can. I don't know where that went to. But yeah, that was everything that was inside my Sephora play this month. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content, and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new play boxes. Even though this month had 2 repeat products, I'm really not mad about this month's bag. It's gonna get us back to square one and re-up on those beauty resolutions that we make to ourselves subconsciously throughout the year. I know every year I say that I'm gonna wash my makeup brushes more, and I never do. And now I have no excuse because we have that cleanser. Or I say I'm gonna take better care of my skin, and now I have no excuses because I received 3 products inside this play bag that were geared straight to hydration and keeping your skin supple. So yeah, I think overall this month's bag deserves an A-. I will be sure to do a full blog review of all the items inside, and you guys can be sure to check that out at the website at sarahlock.com. 2H's2Ks. I'll also be sure to link all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. On a real though, let's talk about this. Do you believe in your horoscope? And what I mean by that is, do you believe that what your horoscope do you believe what your horoscope says is true about you? I am supposed to be intuitively creative, and I'm not. and therefore can be kind of standoffish and also very out of touch with my emotions. Does that, like, am I like a Pisces then? Like, can I, like, do y'all use that as like a reference point of like who you are? Let me know in the comments below. But needless to say, I'm gonna go ahead and bounce. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, love you guys. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.